Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Hyundai Kona. First, let's talk about preparation and safety. Before you start, gather all your tools, including a new oil filter, fresh engine oil, a drain pan, and a wrench. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and securely supported with jack stands. Safety is paramount, so remember to wear protective gloves and eyewear throughout the process. Now let's get to draining the old oil. First, locate the oil drain plug, typically found on the lowest part of the engine's oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it to catch the used oil. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old engine oil to drain completely into the pan, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter and plug. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Then, reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it firmly but not over-tightening. Finally, let's add the new oil and perform a final check. Consult your Hyundai Kona's owner's manual to confirm the exact type and quantity of engine oil required, often around 4 to 5 quarts. Carefully pour the fresh oil into the engine's oil fill port. After filling, start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Check the dipstick for the correct level and visually inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.